So hey there, this is Lee of Lee Launches back with another live stream. Welcome to day 12 of the Lee Launches live stream. I'm working towards a target to go live every day for the next 30 days. Every day I'm making a video on a brand and a completely different topic, a new topic. I'm choosing different topics and I am creating those videos live. Would really help me if you could click like to this video. Also, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back to the live stream, to this video. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to use Launchdash. Launchdash is an app that I had an idea for early in lockdown 1 in the UK, early in March 2020. And I'm going to show you about how I had that idea and what I ended up creating. So if I open up this GIF, this was the idea that I had about, I think it was about April time 2020, and it's simply for a dashboard that any freelancer remote worker can use to quickly share apps and software that they use every day, either with their teams, colleagues, or maybe other freelancers that are working for them. And the reason that I had this idea was I was working with other freelancers and I kept finding that I was trying to find ways to send them lists of the different software that they needed to use in order to do work on the projects that I was working on. And I had this idea, wouldn't it be great to have like a mini website that I could quickly add the software that I use to very fast with the links, with the images, and that I could then send them as a link like you do with a website, and then they could just quickly click on that software and get to work on the different things, that the different projects that we were working on. So that was the idea. I then went from there and decided to create Launchdash, and this is what I ended up creating. I worked with another freelancer to create Launchdash. It is in beta and you can sign up for Launchdash. You can use it yourself for your own projects. And I'm going to put a link in the description so that you can go and sign up completely for free while it's in beta. Currently, you can create up to 5 boards that you can share with your teams or colleagues or clients. And the idea being, as I'm going to show you now, that you can create a page with these different items on it, either your software or different websites that you want to bookmark and share for your projects. So this is an example that's set up. You can see it's got LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Docs, Dropbox, and this shows us an example of some of the software that some of us would use. And the way that this is set up is you simply select a card and choose which software you want to use. It's got many of the more well-known pieces of software and applications that many of us use every day, like Dropbox, like Gmail, and you simply select that service, put in your URL, you can give it a description, for example, and you can even customize the colors of the card, and then you can save it, and then you can share that, and you can create more boards. I'm going to create another one here. This one can be a Slack one, support, for example. And that would be another one. I mean, what I haven't done there is you can also add in your URL. So, but I'm going to show you that in a demo now. So I'm going to show you how to set up a new board. So let's do that now. So let's click on a second board. And so each board has a new name which you can create. So I'm going to call this one Launch Streams because I'm going to create a page with links to some of my YouTube videos from my more recent streams. So it doesn't have to be software. It could be any kind of content that you want to share with whoever it is you want to share it with. And you just create the cards and then just share the boards with that team. So here's the name. I'm going to upload a logo. So that's my logo. I'm then going to add in the service. So this is going to be other because it's going to be a custom one, so it's not one on the list. I'm going to give it a description which I've saved. So it's going to be the title of that particular video, and then I'm going to choose a thumbnail for that video like that. Then I need to put the video link in, which is what you would need to do. So bookmark URL, that goes in there, and then you click save. And that's my first card on my launch stream board, and then I'm going to create another one. So again, it's going to be other, get the URL. I'm going to do a couple of these so you can see how these are set up. Just realised that's the wrong image, so that should be that one. Save that one down. I'm going to create another one. How to make an animated YouTube video fast, which is a live stream that I did the other day. Get the link for this. I need to choose the service again, which is other. Select the image. Save that down. And then click the final one. How to make Pinterest pins quickly. Again, another live stream from the other day. Make sure you go back and check these other live streams that I did the other day if you've not watched those already. That's got to be other, so I can add the image. And that's the thumbnail for it. And click save. So that's my board. Again, you could keep going down the page. You can add as many of these as you want. At the moment, there's only up to 5 boards, but I plan to add more of these as we further develop the app in the future. That is the aim. So I'm going to click save, and then all you do is you click share, and this is your link. So this would be the URL that you would share with your team, your colleague, or your client, whoever it might be, and then you would email that to them or send it to them, text it to them, however you want to send it to them, and they would get this page, and then you can see, they would see simply the name and these different boards, and then when they click on one of these, it would take them over to the thing that you've bookmarked on your board, and in this case it's one of my videos. So that is Launchdash. Launchdash.io. There's a link in the description for you to go click on that, and you can create a free account completely for free. As I say, would love for you to use it. Please let me know what you think of this. Let me know in the comments if you think you could make use of Launchdash, and yeah, I would love to see your feedback.